Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Again, we're doing another review. This one is a quick one actually. It was a snowy day, so I took advantage of this day to do a side-by-side comparison of video quality and FPS between the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and the iPhone 16 Pro Max. So let's dive and let's see how these two perform.
This is iPhone 16 Pro Max 4K 120 frames per second versus the Galaxy S25 Ultra 4K at 60 frames per second. Now, I'm gonna have to increase the frame rate to match the iPhone's 120 frames per second. In order to do that, I gotta go to Pro mode. So now I've turned on Pro mode 4K 120 frames per second on the Samsung S25 Ultra. And as a standalone feature, that already comes with the iPhone 16 Pro Max. And I guarantee the stabilization on the S25 Ultra will be really bad. But we'll see. "4K, 60 frames per second on both phones." Front-facing camera, 4K, 60 frames per second on both phones. "4K, 30 frames per second. I wouldn't drop it to 30 anymore, as these phones are just amazing on these 60 frames per second. But just for the fun of it, there's 30 frames per second.
So this was a really short video, and I know you're gonna have some questions, so please put them in the comments and don't forget to like. It helps me out a lot. I will put another video together that is a little bit longer in comparing the two phones' camera. Thank you.